Dear professors, scholars, researchers, colleagues, and attendees, good morning. First of all, I hope you're fine and staying safe. I would like to express my sincere sympathy to those affected by the recent global tragedy of the COVID-19. As the chair of the conference, I am delighted to welcome you on behalf of the organizing committee, as stakeholder and facilitator to the International Conference Series on Sustainability Outreach in Developing Countries. Actually, the idea of sustainability outreach comes from a giant collaboration of a multinational team efforts, which was initiated by the Research and Education Promotion Association, or REPA, in close collaboration with different national and international organizations. As we know, for transition to risk-free and peaceful lifestyle and environment, any one of us is bound to care for sustainable development and draw a sustainable future. So, as part of our team responsibility, it is my great pleasure to be here and following our commitment towards sustainable community. We were expected to have you all here in the beautiful island of Okinawa, Japan, but the COVID-19 unfortunately offered us as unexpected scenario. By the way, we hope to see you face to face at our upcoming conferences, which will be held in different countries around the world. So, as always, our academic community satisfaction is beyond any possible restriction. Also, by full effort of the conference organizing committee, the offers a peer-reviewed platform backed by hundreds of reviewers and editorial teams from around the globe. Definitely, this platform will lead us to quality and standard conferences and publications in the future as well. Also, I am honored to acknowledge Springer, REPA, IUP Publishing, and yeah, remember IGI Global for their support in conference series publications. The conference series proceeding will be indexed with Scopus, Web of Science, and other worldwide accepted indexing database. So the Sustainability Outreach Conference series will be held in different developing countries during next years, uh, focusing on SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals deployment. Meanwhile, we will conduct a series of impactful endeavors for global sustainability outreach, or IEGS, for developed nations to emanate recent research and sum up with a viable option for sustainability outreach. This series establishes interdisciplinary coverage in terms of sustainable development that argue sustainability pillars: environmental, technical, technological, social, institutional, economical disciplinaries, and explores future direction for long-run sustainability. The IGS series deals with transboundary research experience, a lesson learned that offers an integrated conceptual and empirical contributions from different interrelated fields. The IEGS series will sum up with viable options for social transitions in the 21st century for a well-being life and clean and green environment. At the end, I express my congratulations for successfully holding the conference within the contained situation of COVID-19. Thank you to our stakeholders at any level, including researchers, presenters, participants, reviewers, editors, facilitators, publications, publishers, sponsors, and especially our keynote speakers who have been part of these achievements. Uh, Also, a special appreciation and thanks to the editorial team of REPA, Ms. Michelle Anna, Professor Emil Chang, Miss Sarah Ahmed, Miss Christina Barnes, all of team. I can remember now. All of team members for their editorial support and for being proactive for the entire duration of this conference. So that's all. Thank you for your participation. Have a great day ahead.